Miles Revolution here. When installing a gas range, a new one, you might notice that there's a bracket like this, and most people kind of might wonder what it's for, but it's called an anti-tip bracket. And what it does, it prevents someone from opening the door to the range like this, sitting on it, and then the range tipping like this, tipping forward. And you really don't want that. So what this anti-tip bracket does is it actually helps to prevent that. And the way you use it is this little slot here actually goes underneath one of the floor feet or engages with it. Let me show you here. So when you slide the range back, it'll slide onto this foot like yay. Which means you've got to align this piece of bracket properly on the floor when you attach it. So you actually screw it, and we're gonna go ahead and put some screws like this into the bracket and screw it down onto the floor so someone can't sue me. What we have to do is we have to measure how far away it is from the side. If you don't want to look at the instructions, it is 3.5 inches from the edge of the range. So we're gonna have to put it back here in the hole on the floor, just screw it to the floor 3.5 inches approximately from the side of the cabinet. All right, now we do have a 1/4 inch up top here, so we're gonna have to make sure that we allow that 1/4 inch down on the bottom. So we're gonna wanna put it 3 3/4 of an inch over from the cabinet wall. Otherwise, we won't be happy. So we'll just, our magic tape measure here. Now you can screw it to the wall, or you can screw it to the floor, whichever, because it looks like it has holes for both. But you just got to make sure you leave that gap there. Otherwise, you're going to take it out and be redoing it. So, but we want the floor to still slide because of the kind of floor we put in. So we're actually going to screw it to the back wall. Get a second one. And if you have the alignment wrong, you'll just be pulling the range out and be fixing it. So. That's all there is to it. So it really doesn't take much time to have safety on your range. Put in your anti-tip bracket and you'll be happier, and chances are someone's not going to get hurt by tipping the stove over and spilling a pot of boiling water on them. So let's go ahead and push the range back. Remember, it goes under one of the feet. So, and it's kind of a tight fit. So now it's tip proof, basically. So you can't actually pull it from the wall like this and tip it over. What I do to pull the range out is I actually just open the door and then I put my hands up here on this lip and I pull out. And that's how I do it. Stay safe. Put in your anti-tip bracket on your gas range. Miles Revolution signing out.